Why y'all hugging?
Yeah, I know, because I had ACT prep this morning.
Oh, man. I love practice.
Every Tuesday I got ACT prep.
It took like 3 bites out of the apple.
I was walking down here.
No, my people.
Y'all can do, actually we're doing Tuesdays, not Wednesdays. Yes, ma'am. Go, yeah. Alright, here we go. Alright, 98. So let's just remember these numbers. You got 1, and then you got 4, and what's after that? What's the next perfect square? Huh? Yep. 9. What's the next one? How much? 16. There you go. Bless you. 25. There you go, Kyron. Uh-huh. 49. There you go. 64. Let's just do one more because we got time to go. 81. There you go. All right, so which one divides into 98? You need the biggest one that goes into 98.
81.
No, not 81.
1.
None of them go into it? 4 doesn't.
Oh, I was thinking 7.
No, none of them do. Yep, none of them do. All right, so let's do our letters. What about x to the third? So we're just going to leave that there. So x to the third's got to be even. So what's the even number under 3? 2, and then a 1. And then 6 is already even, so he can come out as y to the third. Just take half of it. All right, then you can bring this x squared. What's half of 2? 1. So it comes out as x to the 1. And then y to the third. And then 98x. There you go. All right, let's see. Number 2. Do they have anything in common between 4, 15, and 25? Anything in common? No?
I love math.
Miss Blackman, could I please have Alyssa Chin to the main office and have her bring her permit?
Yes, ma'am. All right, what about this one? What's the factors of 4? Oh, goodness.
Please send Alexis Sturvis as well with permit.
Yes, ma'am. What are the factors of 4? 1 and 4. 2 and 2. What about the factors of 25? Uh-huh. 5 and 5. There you go. All right, I'm trying to get to negative 15. So let's see, which numbers? I can either use 1 and 4 and 2 and 2, and 1 and 25 and 5 and 5. I'm trying to get to 15. Which one can get me there? 1 and 4 and 5 and 5. I think you are right. All right, so 1 and 4 is going to give me the 4b squared. So I'm going to do 4b and 1b. And this one's easy because we're just 5 and 5. All right, so let's multiply our outer. What's 4 times 5? 20. And let's do our inner. What's 5 times 1?
5.
How does 20 and 5 give me negative 15? Which one needs to be minus? 20 should be negative. If you do 20 minus 5, that's a positive 15. I need a negative 15. All right, so ask yourself, how do I get the 20? Because that's where the negative needs to go. 4 times 5. There you go. So it needs to go right there, and that means this one needs to be positive.
So one always has to be positive, and one always has to be
No, the one we did yesterday, they were both positive.
Doesn't 49 go into 98 plus?
Does it?
Yeah.
There's 3 of them.
Oh, it does. I completely skipped that one.
I didn't say privilege, and you know what? I feel more American because
Like, dear.
I've been that.
So let's see, that'll be 2. Thank you, Tyler. That'll be a 7. There you go.
I'll claim that.
Guys, Chulip, we're on 3. Let's go. Here you go, Tyler. We're on 3. Hurry up.
Oh, we got new.
Yep, we got new ones. We're on Tuesdays. We're going to save Mondays for next week. What you got, Jacob?
9. Hey, can we have like a 10-second review?
So, Jacob told us that negative 18 divided by 9 is how much? Negative 2. Where does it go? Top or bottom? On the top, right, Peyton? Alright, so what do I do with these W7s and W4? You subtract them. 7 minus 4 is?
It's 3.
3. Where does the W to the 3 go?
Top.
With the biggest one on the top. There you go. Wherever the bigger one is, goes on the top. Alright, what number's right here? 1. Alright, so 6 minus 1 is? 5. Do it so it's positive. 6 minus 1 is 5. Where's the x to the 5 go? Where the biggest one is. There you go. Look at you go. Yes, sir.
If you had a problem where all of them move to the top,
Then there would be a 1 on the bottom.
okay.
And then you don't have to write the 1 on the bottom.
So that on the test it wouldn't have that one?
No, it would be like, so for example, if that was x to the 5 on the top, it would just be negative 2 w x to the w to the 3rd x to the 5th. That'd be it. All right, let's see. Look at number 4. So this has been a minute since we've done this, which was the very first unit we did in this class. What does this mean? What do I do with this?
Not like that.
That's the h of x, right? So instead of x, what am I going to plug in instead? 4. So instead of 3 times x is 3 times 4. What's 3 times 4?
12.
12, and 12 plus 1 is 13, and you are right, it is C.
I'll check that out.
There you go. Alright, let's look at this one. Let's see. Consultant charges $45 for each hour she works. Alright, so guys, look, if let's say you cut yards, or let's say, I don't know, whatever it is you do. If you're going to charge $45 for each hour, does that mean you're going to get a flat $45? Or does that mean your money's going to change for how many hours you get?
It's going to change.
It's going to change. So if it's going to change, that's where you put a letter. That's why we put letters in math, because it says this 45 is going to change. Okay? Just like here, this 3 changed when we put that 4 right there. 3 times 4 became 12. All right, what else does it say? It says plus a flat rate of $30. So what's that mean I'm going to do right here?
It ain't changing. I had it by 30.
You're going to add by 30, and it ain't changing, so it don't have a letter. All right, how many hours of work are included in a bill? That's 210. So you got a total of $210, okay? How do I do that?
Subtract 30.
Subtract the 30.
Then divide.
And, well, hold on, I can't write that fast.
It's 4 hours.
And see, that's 180, and then divide by 45. How much did you get? 4?
Man, I do that in my head.
Look at you go. Wow, and you don't do math in the real world, do you? Huh, look at that.
No, I do that kind of math in the real world. I don't do stuff with letters in it. Like,
You just did stuff with letters in it.
one letter. That's like,
Yeah, but whenever
I'm talking about like 4 to the B to the L to the C.
All right, what about your study guides? You got your study guides because they're due today?
I don't do that.
You can have as many minutes as you want, but as soon as that bell rings, you're done with your quiz. So
Can I do my quiz and then do my...
that sounds like a plan to me.
the quiz for 5 seconds.
You can review as long as you want, but when that bell rings, so your time is up.
Wait, I have a question.
Yeah,
Okay. Oh wait, never mind. We've already. We're doing matrix.
we're doing matrix sheet stuff. What you got, Kyrie? Sir? I can review as much as you want with you, but when that bell rings, time's up. Where's that? The bell ringer sheet? I'm sorry.
Were you in 0 period?
Yes, but I had HTTP prep
I
on
was about to
Tuesday.
say. Oh, well, somebody told me that there was a